You are sitting at a busy green light, the person behind you is already honking their horn, and when you press the gas pedal down, your car just sits there and does absolutely nothing. Or maybe it lurches forward for a second before stalling out and leaving you stranded in the middle of traffic. This terrifying situation is the classic hallmark of the code P0227, which means your engine computer has detected a low-voltage input from the throttle position sensor designated as Circuit C. To understand why this happens, you have to realize that your gas pedal is no longer physically connected to the engine by a metal cable. Instead, you are driving a sophisticated computer on wheels that uses a drive-by-wire system. The throttle position sensor, or TPS, is a specialized potentiometer that lives on your throttle body, and its job is to tell the engine brain exactly how wide that butterfly valve is open. The computer sends out a steady 5-volt reference signal, and as you move the throttle, the sensor is supposed to send back a varying voltage. If that return signal drops below 0.17 or 0.20 volts, the computer panics because it thinks the sensor has either died or a wire has snapped. This often puts your car into a restrictive limp mode to prevent a runaway engine. Before you go out and spend your hard-earned money on a brand new throttle body assembly, you need to grab a flashlight and check the wiring harness. These connectors sit right on top of a vibrating engine and are exposed to extreme heat cycles, which makes the plastic insulation brittle and the metal pins prone to green corrosion. Look for any spots where the harness might be rubbing against the engine block or a sharp metal bracket, as a single chafed wire touching the frame will create a direct short to ground and drag that voltage signal all the way down to zero. You also need to verify that your powertrain control module is actually sending out that 5-volt reference. If the computer itself is glitching, no amount of new sensors will fix the problem. If you recently replaced the sensor yourself, keep in mind that many of these units require a very specific physical alignment or an electronic relearn procedure using a skin tool so the computer knows where the new 0 point is located. Taking 10 minutes to clean the connector with some electrical contact cleaner and verifying the mounting bolts are tight can often save you from a massive repair bill and get your acceleration feeling smooth and responsive again.